My name is Freddie. I'm with BRIGH10N Technologies. Today I wanted to showcase one of our latest products that we have, which is our BRIGH10 Gold Pro Plus LED headlight conversion. Today I wanted to talk about one of the greatest benefits of why you should upgrade your car or motorcycle to an LED headlight. This is pretty much showcasing one of our latest products that we have for our low beams, high beams, and fog beams. Today, this product that we have comes with two bulbs that we have in each box. It's going to come with two LED bulbs and two ballast driver, and also a manual instructions that will go through the details on how to install it yourself. We always, safety precaution, highly recommend to get a professional installer to get it installed onto your vehicle. We want to make sure that it's done right, it's done proper, and overall done safe. Here with our LED headlights, once you get the box from us, you will get the bulbs on here too as well. As you will notice, one of the things is this is a three-sided LED headlights. We really focus on having the optimal lumens and full brightness when it comes to your headlights. You want to get that nice rich white color onto your headlights so you are able to see it further on a sealed beam or on a projector housing. You will notice as well that on our LED headlights there's a honeycomb looking LED chip. Currently we're using the latest LED design from lumen LED, which is a CSP LED chip design 6000K white. So it's pretty much known as chip on scale or chip scale on package design that we have. Also, our LED lights, they are going to come with a fan on the back to allow more cooling. All the LEDs, they need a cooling system to make sure that the light gets brighter and is able to have optimum heat handling throughout the lifetime of the LEDs. As well, all our LEDs, they are going to come with a ballast or a driver. This is one of the many latest drivers that we have. It is canvas compatible. 90% of all the vehicles will work on it. Some of the vehicles like a Dodge, Chrysler here and there may or may not need a resistor, canceller, decoder, and so forth. But our bulbs are very simple. They are plug and play, and you can definitely hide it anywhere behind the LED headlights. We wanted to make it nice and simple, so that way when you plug it in, it's easy to use. You turn it instead on. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button for more details, and also what we're gonna do is showcase how this light will work on a headlights or fog lights right now. All right guys, now the ultimate test. We're gonna put those LED lights to the test so you are able to see what we have done on here. So we have this right here. We're gonna go ahead and plug it onto our display. This will showcase the comparison between a regular halogen bulb, which a lot of the cars have them on here. We also have our LED headlights with the Gold Pro. So let's go ahead and do that right here. All right, so I will go ahead and turn this on for the halogen, and I'm also gonna turn on the LED. Just FYI, this is gonna be very bright. I'm gonna show it in two cases. One, that you are able to see it right now, and also once we dim the lights, we're gonna go ahead and show that. So a lot of the cars that you're gonna see that on there, they are gonna come with a regular halogen. As you can see, some incandescent lights that's gonna show that on here. Now this is what you will get when you get the Gold Pro with BRIGH10 LED. Yes sir, this is a nice bright white that you can see that on there. As you can see, there's a little bit more brightness onto the left side compared to my right side. And also, let me turn on the lights off so you are able to see it during the light. Switch the lights off. Perfect. So this is what you're gonna get when the lights are on. This is with a regular halogen that we have that on here. And this is the BRIGH10 LEDs. Whoa, absolutely bright white. Look at the difference. Nice thing about these is the housing. It is a projector light. And as you can see, the difference right here is the whole white beam and the brightness covers the whole housing light on there. This is the beauty about having a good quality LED chip designed and placed as the right way on the housing, and as well much brighter, much safer on the road. Just imagine how bright it is while riding at night. It's very dim, it's very dark. you're all able to see everything that's around that on there too as well. Lights back, please. All right, so this is exactly what we talk about when it comes to the LED lights with BRIGH10 LEDs. It's brighter, it's safer, and along the way, you are protected and safer on the road. I want to make sure that you get the best lights for your car and you are driving with a peace of mind, not having to worry about anything. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like, thumbs up button, subscribe, and click on the link below to showcase more of our products that we're going to be bringing on here as well. Thank you for watching our BRIGH10 YouTube channel.